So good evening, you are welcome to Winners Pig Farm, a home of quality breed. Okay, our pigs, we wanted to check the weight. They are entering their third week at 3 weeks old. So this is the bag we want to put the pig into, and this is the pig he's bringing over there, and this is the scale, the digital scale. So right now we are, first and foremost, you have to put the bag, empty bag, inside the digital scale. If you watch, this empty box has no impacts already at the digital scale. So right now he's going to put the 3 weeks old pigs. Okay, remember I told you guys our target is 25 to 30 kg at put the leg first. 25 to 30, put them inside. 25 to 30 kg at 5 weeks. So okay, this is 5.8. This is 5.8. Okay, at 3 weeks old, 5.8. Before, it was at 10 days old, it was giving off 4.1. At 3 weeks old, additional 7 days plus, additional 10 plus this thing, making it 3 weeks old, is giving us now 8.4 kg. Okay, I will still be updating you guys. Thank you very much, and God bless you. One love.